morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a different kind of video. I have not did one of these videos, so I'm going to go ahead and try to do one today since I have a little bit of organizing to get done. In this video, as you can tell by the title, will be a fold and organize the kids' closets with me today. I have two closets that maybe three, that I'll be needing to get to. My oldest kids' closets, I will not do because that's their responsibility. They're teenagers, so they know how to do it. So yeah, I'll be doing my youngest kids all the way up until age 11. So whoever shares closets, I will be doing those. This closet, my two daughters and my baby boy, my youngest three, share this closet. This is one of the closets in my room. I have two closets. So I have my 5-year-old and my 1-year-old, and then my 3-year-old has his clothes on that shelf. That's all my 3-year-olds. My 5 and 1-year-old is over here. Now I have a dresser that just broke on me that has all my 1-year-old's clothes in it. I'll be needing to get to that, so I'll be getting all that laundry out that dresser now, and I'll be putting it into a basket, so you'll be seeing me put some clothes on a shelf that some clothes that no longer my 1-year-old can no longer wear. So I'll be putting those on a shelf until I can figure out what else to get to it, because I am doing this without going to get any containers. I'm most likely, before I get containers, if I need any, I like to assess the situation first. So like my son's clothing, I'm gonna have to go through that and see if he can fit, make sure he can fit everything. And he has a shelf up there that he has not used, so I would like to put his winter clothes up there and his summer clothes, short sleeves, down there. And then I don't never hang the pants up, so I don't know if I'm going to hang the pants up now. I'm just going to keep it folded and put it on the shelf. Over here for the girls, I'm going to keep their clothes hung up because I also use a cubby. So I have her shoes and her pants and night clothes, underclothes, all in this. So does my 3-year-old. My 3-year-old has one as well. So I use the cubbies for the underclothes, the socks, their shoes, play clothes, bathing suits, all that stuff goes in their cubby. Some of the night clothes will be on my 3-year-old shelf because he has so many, and yeah, go from there. But I have laundry that I need to fold, so I'll be folding some laundry. That way, I gotta do both at the same time. That way I can get some of these clothes, you know, back onto the shelves that they've already used and organized into their closet. I also have another closet that I'll be doing in my boys and the other kids' room. So my 11-year-old, my 11, my 7, my 6, and my 8 share rooms. So I'll be getting to their closet as well. They also have their own dresser, so I don't know how I'm going to do that yet, unless I might just do this closet on this video and then do the other closet on another video. I got to assess the situation because they have a whole lot more clothes in there than in here. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video and we'll see where we end up.
Enough for me to prove. Remedy, you're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can. 'Cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. I want my cake and eat it too, but a little grace would be enough for me to prove that baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. Crutches, I be holding grudges, can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant, stay away as long as it takes. Forgive my attitude, I need my cake and eat it too, but a little time will be enough for me to prove that baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. My highs and my lows, it's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can. 'Cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish, spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude, I want my cake and eat it too, but a little grace would be enough for me to prove that baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, 'cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my